Football season is upon us, and that means you guys are firing up the grills and putting some burgers down for your friends. But let's seriously, guys, let's kick the frozen patties and American cheese, and let's explore an iconic dish from Montana that'll be sure to kick up your burger game. Today we're kicking up our burger game by cooking Montana Bison burgers. Bison is such a great red meat alternative. It's low in saturated fat and low in cholesterol, but just packed full of flavor. I'm gonna start by forming a half-pound burger patty and lightly seasoning it with salt and pepper. I don't wanna over-season the meat because I want the natural flavors of that bison to shine. So a lot of people don't know this, but when you actually get garlic on your hands, you actually just rub it on some stainless steel, it takes the smell right out. We're gonna make a nice light mayo-based sauce with a little bit of garlic and parsley in it. And you know, on second thought, I'm actually gonna add a little bit of Tabasco to this just to give it a little bit of heat. Good stuff. So one of the most important things when cooking a burger is to make sure you leave your patties out on the counter for about 20 minutes. You don't want them ice cold when they hit the pan. Now that we got the blue cheese and the sun-dried tomatoes on top of our beef patty, I'm gonna lay a stainless steel bowl right over the top. This will help steam up and melt that cheese. Burgers are such a great platform for food because you can put anything you want on it. Today, we're gonna start with a bed of romaine lettuce on the bottom bun, a good thick slice of whole grilled red onion, a couple slices of bacon, and then we're gonna top our bison patties with some sun-dried tomatoes and blue cheese. We'll grab our top bun with our mayo, parsley, garlic, Tabasco mixture. Montana bison burgers are my new favorite. The bison is so juicy and tender and flavorful. There's so much going on in this burger. I never want to see you guys with frozen patties and American cheese ever again. Moose Drool Brown Ale is the perfect accompaniment for this bison burger. I mean, look at this thing. It's moist, it's juicy, it's tender, it's delicious. I would love for you guys to give it a try at home. Please comment down below if you do. I would love to hear about it. If you feel that I've represented Montana well, give me a like, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, man.